bit of value, probably like about $1 here. Motherboard, some cable, copper bearing motors, heat sinks. So maybe there's about $2 of scrap, maybe 3 max of scrap in a regular old school Xbox. And like I said, I'll look at the parts, see what I can figure out, and let you guys know in the description. Oh, and also I just noticed has tantalum, monolithic, quite a few. Xbox, I've noticed, puts quite a few monolithic capacitors on their boards. Not sure why, but people who collect them, Xbox is definitely one place to get the monolithic capacitors. So that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions, suggestions, let me know. And I'll try to keep on putting up videos as often as I could. Thanks very much. Hey everyone. So this is my next little project here. Is a non-working PlayStation 4. I'm sure most of you guys would be smart enough not to tear this apart just for the gold, because the parts are quite valuable, and just selling it like this would give you about $300. But let's say you happen to fall on one that's been crushed by something really heavy or a car or something, then you could scrap it for gold. So let's take this apart and see how everything works. So this guy here just slides open like that. And you have a little hard drive here. And you'll need some security Torx bits, and because they're pretty much everywhere. It's not small enough. This way. So there's a few of these screws over here. And the funny thing is, you could even sell this stuff, this plastic stuff, for quite a bit if you look around.